Welcome to Bits of Art. This is Bits. Today we are gonna see Brusto alcohol markers. They are called Brusto sketch markers. Like Copycat don't call alcohol, Brusto calls it sketch markers. Here the artist variant, artist version. This is a set of 12 markers that I got. These are a set of mixed grays. We were told to get mixed grays, so it has a warm grays, it has blue grays, it has cool grays. Among cool grays you get cool gray 1, cool 2, no, not 2, cool gray 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. In blue grays you get 1 and 3, and again in warm grays we miss warm gray 1, but we get from 3, 5, 7 and 9. And again we get a special, this is the L blender 0, so it is used to blend colors, 2 shades, nearby 2 shades. So I'm gonna test them. This is the cool gray 1. Cool gray 1 is like, then it's a point in it. It's like it's very soft. You can see it. Previously I used cheap quality Copics, not Copics, but Touch something is like that. Its name. Like they are copy of Copics, like copy of Copics. Like they are duplicates of duplicates and duplicates of alcohol markers. One thing about these Brusto sketch markers, like the point in it, this one, it's very soft. They're like very soft, they're very light also. Like I'm not a much experienced guy to review alcohol markers, but these are the good quality markers that I got for myself. Previously I used you can see in other videos I somewhere used markers. They are not Copics, but they are a copy of Copics. They're duplicates. So the problem with them is that they give the color very well, but the problem is in blending. And I brought these Brusto sketch markers. These are also nice, these are also expensive, these are so very light. I think they can blend very well. I think in the original markers, which one Copics, I think they are more, I think the paper also affects the blending process. Here I am using a A3 sheet of 100 GSM. I think it affects somewhat, but it's fine. This is the blender. You can see it's blended very well. I can say it's very well. It's somewhat, it gives a glossy finish upon it. It's fine. I don't know, maybe if I use very frequently I'll understand about them. So these with the unboxing of Brusto sketch markers, set of all mixed grays. Sayonara.